Like something out of a horror film. I'm sure there's dead bodies under here somewhere. It's an interesting start to the morning. So we've had bacon rolls.
No, we haven't.
We had bacon and maple sausages.
Yes, rolls.
Yeah, rolls.
Yeah.
It's been...
I like the way you leave out who made.
Oh look, something's got to be trying to live down there, look. Something's trying to burrow in. We don't get wildlife around here. I don't know what that would be. Oh, it's fun, missus. So, to clarify then, we've had sausage rolls.
We've had bacon and
oh, we're new to the vlogs. We just got to the end of the road and the battery died on the camera. So I've had to run back, get a new battery. So we're set to go. The other one's charging. Just to clarify, we didn't have bacon rolls, we had sausage rolls. But the sausages were bacon and maple. I'm just going into town now. Oh, to meet Mike, Katie and Riley, some of our friends, for a morning coffee. I'm going to run out and try and find Elouise and Charles. You're filming my mad driving skills. Crazy mad. We're off to see my mum.
so.
Nan. Off to see Nanny.
Yeah.
She has bought Charles a new outfit.
Did she say what it was?
She did tell me what it was.
Why are you not going to tell me?
Because I want you to guess. It's a themed outfit. I'm not saying whether it's animal, person.
Well, you've got to give me a clue.
No.
Why?
There's not going to be...
Humpty Dumpty.
Is that your best guess? My mum has
Well,
been
it's
out today and bought a Humpty Dumpty outfit for Charles to wear. Of all the outfits out there, you're going with Humpty Dumpty.
Is it something that will be quite... what's the word?
It's going to be a long video.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Banana Man.
He's an interesting superhero.
Could you imagine him in a banana suit?
Well, Nanny's going to ruin the fun by showing Elouise what she's bought.
Sorry.
Let's have a look.
Put it on you now. Anyway. Oh. It's got a cape.
Do you want to try it on, Mum? We can try it on him.
No, he's asleep. That was cool.
Let's have a look out the garden. Nanny tells me she's been gardening for 3 hours. See if it notices. She doesn't look very grubby. Oh, there's a new strimmer she's been bragging about. Anything for a power tool, my mum. Let's see if she's only done the top end and not gone down the end. Excuse me, Buddha. Yeah. I remember when that tree was planted. That's a bit big now. And this willow tree as well. Massive now. And then to the danger zone with Grandad's sheds at the end. Like something out of a horror film. I'm sure there's dead bodies under here somewhere. I'm sure Charles will be going up here. Well, Lottie the cat seems a bit confused by Charles. Oh, she's giving up there.
Typical name for the camera. Oi. It's alright, darling. Oi. Every week.
What's he?
To give you something to help him go.
You're going to go see Charles?
She's nice.
Can you hear that strange noise?
Probably not as good as she used to.
Lottie.
Oh, lovely.
Lottie. Is this Lottie?
Yeah, she'll have a bit of it. You showed you on a cup of tea, it's not to tell.
No, we've just only just been at Starbucks.
See Mike and Katie. And Riley.
I think I'm a little bit biased. I couldn't help but buy this for Charles. He's having a little dose at the moment. He's been awake most of the day today, which he never does. So hopefully that means we're going to get a good sleep tonight. You never know. I have no idea if this is getting the both of us, but we're off to our first party, family party, as a family, 3 of us. Well, it is a family party.
I was just laughing every time you said the word family.
Yeah, okay, so let's start again. We're off to our first family party.
He snores louder than you.
Shut up.
Why don't you use your phone?